Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So we're doing a bit of, it's not necessarily an unboxing but an unwrapping today. And this is a tool which has been, well not a tool, but this is a piece of equipment which has been sent to me for review. So Andy, thank you very much, you know who you are. So this is a Stanley tool belt, and this is what we've got. So, just set it down there a minute and just have a quick look and see what we have here. So I would make it clear that this isn't a review. Obviously I haven't used it yet. This is only the second time I've opened up this packaging. So what we'll do, we'll just zoom in, have a close look and just see what we've got here. So as you can see, we've got a sort of a nylon type belt with one of these clips, look. You can put whatever you want in there, but I think for most people's purposes a nice big tape measure would be quite an appropriate thing to put in there. And we've also got a series of pockets, look, of varying sizes, and obviously these will be very useful for putting nail screws, that sort of thing in here. What I'll do when I do a proper review on this, I'll actually summarise all of the appropriate specifications, such as, you know, what the type of material is, thickness and all that sort of stuff. That's obviously to put a hammer on. And I was pleased to see that this is actually made of steel, because some of these, they're actually made of plastic but actually coated with something which looks metallic. So this is what it looks like on the other side, look. So spin it around that way, look. Now there's also lots and lots of adjustment on here. In fact, what I'm going to do, look, first of all, let's just take these off. Now I am a 38-inch waist, and there's absolutely stacks of room. In fact, you could probably go up to probably another 6 inches on the waist, actually, to be honest with you. Now I'm not sure what the smallest waist size would be, but what I'll do, before I do a proper review, I'll check out the online reviews just to see whether or not there are any sort of, you know, comments or feedbacks, reviews which I can share with you. So 38-inch waist, plenty of room, look, and plenty more to go.
Go on, give us a twirl. One more time. Perfect.
And the thing is, of course, if you want to, you can just spin it round, look, can't you? If that's easier to use that way. You know, you can put it on the side. Depends what you want to do, what the application is. But for my purposes, certainly for what I'll be doing today, I think this is going to be quite a nice position to have it in. Anyway, so like I say, that's just a very brief unveiling. Now these, I've had a look on the internet already, they cost £13. Now £13 is not a lot of money, and this is typically a half to a third of the price which you would expect to pay for a good quality item, and I've perused a number of websites upon receipt of this. So 13 quid, you know, is it a bargain or is it a piece of crap? We'll see.